I'm Dr. Leibovitz, your Central Indiana go-to foot doc. My office is now offering a regenerative medical option. It's an alternative to steroids and NSAIDs, and it can avoid the side effects such as GI upset, ulceration, kidney or liver damage, and possibly even avoid injection. It's the REMI laser, and it's available now. This laser works on a cellular level to repair tissue damage. It has no effect on other parts and systems. It's location specific, and I guess that's the downside with laser. If you take an oral steroid, if you have a sore ankle, sore shoulder, sore neck, everything's going to feel better. This is specific to the location. Now, swelling is responsible for a large portion of the inflammatory and pain cycle. The laser does a wonderful job decreasing both inflammation as well as swelling. It's good for acute and chronic inflammation. I use it now standard on all my postoperative patients. Now, my favorite activity I do outside the office is mountain biking, and I've become a very good friend with REMI. Actually, I think I've been using it more on myself than my patients. If you ask some of the guys I ride with, they'll tell you that I spend sometimes more time on the ground than I do on the trail. If you use the REMI, you're going to have to wear these nice, funky glasses. We'll pretend we're driving in Florida. The REMI is a very powerful laser, yet it does not generate a whole bunch of heat. When it's used, you're going to have a general warmth in the area of treatment. You'll get some analgesia. The after and long-term effects is the decreasing in swelling and inflammatory process, and that's what makes a difference in the follow-up. Now, our standard treatment for most of the problems we see are extremely successful. But if you're interested in a regenerative treatment option, or possibly have an allergy to medications or unresponsive to our standard treatment, this may be a good fit for you. If you're interested in laser packages costs, if you go up to products right above me, if you're on my webpage, they'll have a full description about that. I'm Dr. Leibovitz, your Central Indiana go-to foot doc, and this is REMI.